summary of reaching 1 Bitcoin $200,000 and more in less than 5 minutes. One of the things that raises fear among cryptocurrency investors is the issue of regulation. Currently, there is a large gap in terms of regulation between crypto and the stock market, and the reason is of course due to the nature of cryptocurrencies as a decentralized financial system. So when cryptocurrency investors hear that the SEC or governments want to regulate the subject of crypto, they become afraid. But in fact, this regulation may be in the interest of cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. The last regulation we have seen from regulating the balance sheet of companies that trade cryptocurrency such as Coinbase and others. This regulation may cause chaos at first, but in the end it will be an incentive for major companies and investment portfolios to add Bitcoin to their portfolios, and indeed with the recent regulations, the issue of accepting crypto investment portfolios and allocating part of it specifically to the leading Bitcoin has surfaced. And this is what we noticed with several investment portfolios and companies listed on the stock exchange, such as Portfolio Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Black.one, MicroStrategy Company, and many others. This matter became important, especially after the performance of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in 2021, and even 2022, as the value of the total cryptocurrencies reached its highest limit to $3 trillion, and Bitcoin alone represented almost a third of this number, which means about 4 Nike companies combined. This growth made portfolio managers think seriously about including Bitcoin in their investment portfolios, as it published a statistic on the Wall Street Journal saying that 15% of asset management companies include crypto in their portfolios, although this percentage appears to be small, but it is higher than last year's rate, which was only 9%. In addition, interest in crypto, specifically Bitcoin, in investment portfolios in general is accelerating. I mean, although only 15% of portfolio managers have crypto in their wallets, 94% of their clients asked them about crypto and the possibility of investing in them through the wallet, and this proves that the interest is very high. But it is natural for you to wonder about the impact of the entry of portfolio managers on the crypto world, which is the world as we know from people to the people. In fact, the joining of crypto investment portfolios, especially Bitcoin, will skyrocket the price as the Big Ideas report in 2022 from ARK Invest expected that the entry of crypto investment portfolios, especially Bitcoin, will skyrocket. Investment companies in the world of Bitcoin only buy 2.5% of their assets will make the price of Bitcoin equal to $200,000 or as a market value of more than $4 trillion, which is 3 times the current price, and this is of course if the ratio is only 2.5%, but add to that the multiples that it will come from the entry of companies, governments, insurance companies and others. Given these growth opportunities, ARK Invest predicts that Bitcoin in 2030 may reach a market value of $28.5 trillion, or $1.4 million per Bitcoin. You can imagine the skyrocketing growth, dear viewer, but as we mentioned, the joining of companies, portfolios and insurance companies need strong regulations and protection for them. Therefore, as an investor in crypto, you may see that regulation is in your favor, but on the other hand, do not forget in the short term may cause an uproar in the market and lead to a price drop, and God knows best. Thus, dear viewer, you have become aware of the importance of organizing crypto and the opportunities that arise from it. I hope you benefited, and if you still have questions, write them in the comments and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. If you liked the episode, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your family and friends. Rashad, the presenter of your program Hit the Road to F.I.R.E, was with you. See you soon.